بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I don't repent to a man, I don't repent to a priest, I don't repent to a monkey, I repent to that one creator. Tell me, doesn't that make sense? Does it or not?
It's good to repent,
it makes sense, right?
But that's
Does it make sense?
You just illustrated something with doing little sins and then repenting.
Yes.
And
I didn't kill God's
I've done
son
that
or
too.
kill any priests to repent. You don't kill to repent. You turn to your creator, you say, I've sinned, I forgive it, I ask for forgiveness. You don't go back to that sin. That's how you repent. If I killed the Son of God, I would say that's a much bigger sin than eating any fruit. I don't care.
But the Bible says that the wages of sin is
Right.
death. So
Okay,
if
so-
nobody takes,
So, but how did that get to be? Where did you get that biblical verse?
Bible.
But I'm saying is the Bible has been corrupted. Look at the verses I showed you. Go home and look them up. Take pictures here. It's not just one or two. Look, I studied the Bible cover to cover with Christians, with Lutherans, with Catholics, with Baptists. I'm not speaking. You've never read the Quran. Just go read it. Just so at least we can be on a similar footing to understand. Look, this Bible that you are saying here, it says, prepare the slaughter for his children because of the inequity of their fathers. How can you slaughter children because of what their father? Do you think this is the true Bible?
prepare slaughter for his children, not slaughter
Yes.
the children.
Yes. So who do you slaughter here? Slaughter for the children. That's who you're slaughtering. It's not just this. Look, go and read through the Bible here. Read here. Now go and attack Amalek and do not spare them, but kill both man and woman, infant and nursing child, ox and sheep, camel and donkey. Is this the Bible you believe in?
Yes, if God,
You believe God would order the killing of infants?
because
Infants?
He was judging an
Do you
nation.
believe that a child who's an infant would be massacred? He hasn't done anything. How can you kill an innocent infant? You know better than that.
Well,
You know better than
You're
that.
presuming they're innocent.
An infant child, what has he done? What can an infant child do to be massacred? You tell me. What could an innocent infant baby possibly do for you to slaughter that child? What? I'm asking you a question. What? What could an infant child possibly have done for him to be slaughtered? That's not a God I believe in. I believe in a merciful God. I believe in Allah, a God who created us with mercy, and He does not judge a child until he has the ability to discern between right and wrong. That's what I believe in.
what's your opinion of abortion?
Of who? I don't believe in abortion. Why? Because it's an innocent life. Just because you don't know how to make responsibility doesn't mean you can kill a child. I don't believe in gay marriage. I agree with you. It is a crime to kill a child. I encourage you, take pictures, read it up at home, take the Quran, look it up online, just read it. Nobody's forcing you to do anything. You know right from wrong, you're intelligent, right? I appreciate you coming. I wish you the best. I hope that this doesn't end here.
Well, it's a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming.
I appreciate it.